go to a dialogue number 2.
आलू ले लो, कांदे ले लो.
Okay, first you raised. टमाटर बोलना नहीं, मारूंगा मैं तेरे को. ठीक है? So आलू ले लो, कांदा ले लो, उसके बाद
कांदा मालूम नहीं था आने वाला है आगे. आलू ले लो, कांदा ले लो.
गेट से बाहर चले जाओ. इसके बाद anyone who can complete this one? We have this one more lady here. Yeah. What is the next part of this dialogue?
सुबह से ना एक आलू बिका है ना
Yeah, brother, that's exactly what I was looking for. Let's have a dialogue number 3, Ransi. 3, dialogue number 3. Let's go.
क्राइम मास्टर को नाम है मेरा.
दादा को आंखें बराबर याद है. यस, क्राइम मास्टर को नाम है मेरा.
मास्टर गोगो. आंखें निकाल के गोटी खेलूंगा.
पापा आंखें तक तो ऐसे थे, आंखें निकाल के गोटी खेलूंगा. गोटी में आंखें भी बड़े हो गए थे यार. I see. Let's go, Ransi. Next.
प्यार क्या है?
प्यार. Okay, we'll give. I know you know the whole movie dialogues, man. I know. We'll give this guy a chance. Yes, Rahul. प्यार क्या है?
प्यार दोस्ती है.
Full शाहरुख खान वाला feeling you do, man. Nice. Yeah.
वो रोज प्यार होता है ना इसलिए.
Okay. Ransi, let's go. Next. Let's go.
जब ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ किसी पर पड़ता है ना,
Okay, we have another one from this side person. So ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ जब किसी पे पड़ता है ना,
उठता नहीं, उठ जाता है.
ओए उठ जाता है. Flex nice. One flex. Yes. Okay, let's go next.
एक साथ इस फुटपाथ से उठे थे, लेकिन आज तुम कहाँ रह गए और मैं कहाँ गया. आज मेरे पास बिल्डिंग है, प्रॉपर्टी है, बैंक बैलेंस है, बंगला है, गाड़ी है. क्या है तुम्हारे पास?
Yes. क्या है तुम्हारे पास?
हाँ है मेरे.
See, I feel everyone knows this dialogue, so I will give the hook again, and all of us together will tell it, okay? So when I say कि आज मेरे पास बंगला है, गाड़ी है, बिल्डिंग है, पैसा है, क्या है तुम्हारे पास? क्या बात है. Let's go on the next one.
डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है, लेकिन सोनिया
अरे आप लग भी रहे ऐसा साउथ इंडियन डॉन सर. प्लीज कम ना. If you tell it on the mic with that full ऐसे स्टाइल में मजा आ जाएगा यार.
डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन.
बेचारा डॉन. बराबर, डॉन का आवाज ही नहीं निकल रहा है. पुलिस खुद ढूंढ रहे हैं किधर ये. Okay. Yes, brother.
एक बार तो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी.
Hey, we got one from this side. I am coming here. Yes, my brother. What is it?
एक बार अगर मैं कमिटमेंट सॉरी तो मैं अपने आपकी भी नहीं सुनती, सुनता. Is that right?
Bro, this is like heights of wrongness in this. You changed Salman Khan's gender for a second. Okay, but give a round of applause for him, man. Amazing. Kudos to the effort, yeah, please. Let's go next start.
I'm sorry. मैंने गुस्से में कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल दिया.
कोई बात नहीं सेन्योरिटा, कोई बात नहीं.
Okay, yeah, you can. Yes. I'll enjoy this one over here. Yeah. Tell.
छोटे शहरों में कुछ होते रहते हैं. बड़े शहरों में कुछ होते रहते हैं.
I mean, you come with me. I'll tell you. You come with me. Hey, make some noise for Annie, man. Hey, everyone. Hey, come on. Yes. Annie, where's your husband? Where's he? What? Yeah, your Kajol is gone over there. Shah Rukh Khan is sitting over here. Come here. Yes. Okay. See, if you have seen that movie DDLJ, In that, Shah Rukh says this dialogue and follows his hand and then comes running. We'll create the same moment here, okay? You say the dialogue and then you follow your hand. Shah Rukh Khan will come running towards you, okay? Yeah? Uncle, once you finish saying the dialogue, now to come SSR running towards you, okay? Let's create a moment. Ani, come here. You stand over here and you say the dialogue, okay? बस say the dialogue. Uncle, yes.
बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बात होती रहते हैं.
I just love it. They were hugging each other as their cousins and not couples. I don't know what's happening. Okay, I guess this one last one. Let's go with this last beat. Yes.
दोस्ती क्या कुछ सुना मैंने
हाँ क्या प्यार में नो दोस्ती I love the spirit that you guys are holding, man. If I could have you, no, come na. And if I could have you also, yes. Too much. You guys are like really enthusiastic. If I keep you all down for more longer, it will not be justice. Come. We'll play this next game with you guys, okay? Did I say I'm playing couple games or anything? Already, you know. It's a very full family friendly game. वो बाद में वाला वो game बाद में खेलेंगे हम लोग सब. ठीक है? Right now we'll play a crazy game between you all both, but the rule here is it is going to be a little group game. It's not a solo game, so you're not going to play against each other. You need a group of people. Now you see all these people with those frowning faces, they are looking at you. I don't know why. Okay, they don't have smiles on their face, yes. So firstly, go quickly and try and get at least 12 to 15 members in your team. The person who gets 12 to 15 members first, we will try and play some games with them. Come on. The alphabets amongst your team members. Whatever word I say, using these alphabets, you have to make the word. Whichever team makes first will get points. The team with the most number of points by the end will be the winner. Okay, you all can help your team members. That's obviously the whole part of this game. I'll explain. Just distribute the words. I'll tell you all. Whatever word I say, using the alphabets that you'll have to form the word. The team that forms it first will get points. Okay, so y'all are not playing आपस में, you're playing आपस in the team, okay? Let's go to our word number 1. The first word is okay. Spelling is wrong. Pahila word to spelling has to be that way and not that way. Okay? So the first team that gets it right is this side! Lekin India mein first round is always trial round, so this was me trying to make you all understand the game, okay? Okay, so let's go, okay? Let's go. First word for 10 points. First word for 10 points and the word is... Like I said, is. I-S is. 10 points. Okay. Okay, let's go. So 10 points there. Let's go quickly. Next 10 points. The word is at. 10 points. For the next 10 points, the word is in. I-N. And 10 points. Okay, so the score right now is 20-10. No stress. Now let's increase the base a bit. The next word. The next word is gonna be for 20 points, okay? 20 points, and the word for 20 points is two. T-W-O-2. Absolutely amazing. 20 points. That's it. Next 20 points. The word is bank. B-A-N-K. Bank. Well, I did an NAKD something. What is NAKD, by the way? Huh? Slide uphill. Hold it anyhow, one. Chalega. Okay. So score right now is 50-30. Okay, 50-30. Again, let's increase the pace over here. Next words are going to be for 50 points, okay? 50 points, and for 50 points, the first word is friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Spelling is wrong. Spelling is wrong. Spelling is wrong. 50 points. For next 50 points, the word is. For next 50 points, the word is friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. 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 50 points. Okay, so that means it is that is 100 points there, 80 points there. Next word is gonna be for 100 points, okay? 100 points, it's a big lead. For 100 points, the word is richer. Richer. Richer, R-I-C-H-A. Spelling is not there. But obviously, okay, let's go to the second last word. 100 points, second last word for second last word. Second last word, 100 points, and the word is birthday. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y, birthday. Birthday. Hey, why is missing only? Why is missing? Come on, fast. 100 points goes this side. I'll tell you why, because I'll switch the words. Hey, so what? One spelling became wrong, na birthday became. Okay, which means it is 180 here, 150 here. Let's go to the 200 here and 180 here. Last word for 200 points. Last word for 200 points, and the last word is. Firstly, stop looking at me like I'm a chicken tandoori. So badly you're looking at this. Okay, so for 200 points, the word is the team that aligns A to Z in one line will, on the floor, will get the points. A to Z in one line on the floor will get the points. A to Z in one line on the floor. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That's it. A to Z in one line will get the points. A to Z in one line. 200 points का बात है भाई. Hey, that's still putting. What is that? Cheating. Okay. I need to still see what it is. Okay. You all didn't hear correctly what I said. I said 200 points to the team that aligns A to Z in one line. And उसके बाद picks up and gives it to me. The first team to give it to me. First team to give it to me. Yes, the first team. All the letters together. All the letters together. That team gets it. Good game. Check. See, I am gonna announce a winner, but before the winner, if I can have all the team players, we'll take a group photo and go. I don't go like that only. Come, everyone who are playing. Funkier. When I say 3, 2, 1, okay, you have to try and pull each other, okay, and you gotta try and pull him out of this black and white square mat, and you have to try and pull him out of this black and white square mat, which is towards your backside, okay? So whichever player. Oh, you want a replacement for you? अरे भाई बोला मैं इंजर्ड है तो भी इसको एक टंग से आ रहा है ऐसा बोला ऐसे. Okay, so see, when I say 3, 2, 1, you all can start, okay? See, your end line is there. Basically, you need to get him out there and you try and get him out there, okay? I'll leave it to you guys. At the count of 3, 2, ए रुक रे रुक, 1 बोलने देना, 1. दोनों ने ऑलरेडी एनर्जी डाल दिया, मेरे को डर लग रहा है अभी. या एट द काउंट ऑफ 3, 2, लेट्स गो.
No matter what you're hooked on, make sure